Say you love me, you adore me. You say you give yourself away so that I can use you. What if I ask that you give all you have? Pick your cross and follow. Would you count me more precious than oil, silver or gold? What if, like Abraham, the Isaac you love, I asked for his life? What if I got a lot of what ifs? So I'm asking you, you sure? You sure?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's and months. No vex for me. This video is basically me creeping back slowly so that you will not notice that I've been gone so long and you will not break my head. No vex, my babies. A lot has happened and I go gist you gradually with time. I recorded and filmed this video a very long while ago. I would actually do a few things differently makeup wise now, but then it's still a solid look, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to make use of this video. Let me edit it for a purpose, and the purpose is that I want to use this video, this upload. Don't waste my data and don't waste the energy I use to edit this thing, because it's not easy. I want to use this upload to seriously underline it, bold it, italics it, strike it through, do everything you can in caps. I want to seriously ask you guys, what video ideas do you guys want to see? And I am begging you, I am pleading, I am extremely serious. You guys know that content creating for me right now, you might not know, but then it's taking a lot. It's let's not get into that, but I am extremely what's the word? I can't find the word I'm looking for, but then I really want to get back into doing something I love, and you guys are number one on my list. I really want you guys to help me. I want to know what video ideas do you guys want. Please help me create content that you guys would watch. I'm using this voiceover to beg you guys. I want you guys to be able to enjoy my channel the way my 2017 to 2019 people enjoyed it. My day one, my gang. I want you guys to please drop plenty comments. I want to see requests, video ideas, collab imaginations, even if I have to go and beg the person, wishes, requests, anything you guys want to see, please help me drop it. God willing, I can film them and I can achieve it. I really want you guys to get back into loving my content and enjoying it. I don't want you to waste data. Data have cost. I love you guys so much. I miss you so much, and your girl is broke. Let's do this. Kisses. Mwah. I love you. Mwah.
Please come clean, I see your heart. So son, I ask you, when I say my heart is true, when I say I love you, it's true. When I say I care, it's true. When I say I never forget, it's true. It's true that my love is sure. My peace for you is sure. I'm not a man and I don't lie. Not a son of man, I don't play games. This love that I have cost me my life, so never ever doubt it. You say yes, I surrender it all. Yes, I turn it all over. Yes, it all belongs to you. Oh, yes, I surrender it all. Yes, I turn it over and over. Yes, it all belongs to you, Lord. I wanna give my best to you. I wanna do what you ask me to. I wanna go where whatever you say. Say the word and I will obey. I wanna live a life that's real. I wanna serve you, Lord, for real. You deserve all these and more. I give you more, 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 more. Lord, I give you all of me and then more. I give you more, more, more.